Hello, friends. How are you? Well, I'm doing okay. We're going to get busy. Got the 2013 Avenger back. We need to get that covered. And we need to get that covered. And then we got to do a few little touch-up things to it, which is fine. We can do that. So today we're going to do a leather and vinyl repair. It's not leather. It is pleather. It's fake. It's vinyl. You know, it's not. Anyway, we ordered this because we needed the black. In the kit, you get 2 of the black tubes, and then you get the white in case you need to bring it down to a gray, which is good. You know, that's kind of a plain palette in my opinion. This white could also be used to fill in a spot, and then you could buy the corresponding paint. Okay, so this is vinyl, plastic, and carpet dye paint. I don't use it, but it was, my dad has used it on certain things. Hi. Okay, in addition to the kit, you're going to need a heating gun, and you're going to need some IPA. Alrighty, it is done. Now it's smooth. I got it sanded down. The only thing I haven't done is clean it up and then put some shine on here to rejuvenate what I have dried out with alcohol and all that. But this is smooth, even though it's kind of but the best way to do that is to cover that up is to buy some spray texture. We're not doing that. We just want to fill in that spot, and it's full now. Even though you can still see it, you can't feel it. That's weird. But it is there. It's right there. Now, same thing with this. There's no way to cover that up unless you get some spray texture, which I'm not going to do. And with the spray texture, you would cover this whole thing and then color it or paint it the color that its original color, and then that wouldn't show. But just to get it repaired and get it in there, we get it filled up and it's full. And I've already sanded it down, so it's pretty smooth. I mean, you can't feel any of the gunk. It's there, but you know, it's repairs are repairs. You're not going to get perfection with those, which in my beginnings I did. I was like, I can't get it perfect. I don't know what to do. Alrighty friends, so that is the Fortivo repair kit, but it really wasn't about the repair kit. It was more about getting the vinyl repaired. When you put your hands on it, it would poke you. When you put your arm on that center console, it would poke you. And now it's smooth, good to go. It's not always pretty, but that's because we didn't pull in the other tricks. And that is a spray texture and then paint over it. What we wanted to do, we had black, we ordered a black kit, and we just covered it. And this is pretty much good enough for a dealership. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.